In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use tally.so in 2025, guiding you through the entire process. If you're looking to create and manage forms with ease, you're definitely in the right place. Let's get started. First, what you'll want to do is head over to the tally.so website. This will be your home base for managing and creating your forms. Once you're there, you'll need to navigate to the top right corner of the page. Here, you'll find options to either log in or sign up. If you already have an account, go ahead and click on Login. But if you're new to Tally, so you'll want to sign up for an account to get started with creating forms. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your preferred login credentials. This might be through email, Google account, or any other login method that suits you. Once you've successfully logged into your account, you'll find yourself on the home page. Now look for the button labeled New Form. This is the gateway to starting your form creation journey. Go ahead and click on New Form. Now if you feel creative and want to start from scratch, you can simply press Enter to begin with a blank form. On the other hand, if you prefer a jumpstart, Tally so offers a variety of ready-made templates. Simply click on the Use a Template option to explore what they have to offer. Once you decide to use a template, you'll be able to browse through various themes and styles. Find one that suits your needs and click on it to get started. At the top right corner, you'll see an option that says Use this template. Go ahead and click it to apply the template to your form. Now you're ready to customize. You can edit your chosen template to include your preferred details. Whether it's adding form fields, adjusting the design and branding, or even setting up logic and settings, Tally so provides you with all the tools you need to make the form truly yours. Once you're satisfied with your creation, it's time to make it live. Look for the Publish icon located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on that, and your form is ready for the world to see. After publishing, you'll want to share your form. Look for the share link and click on copy to get the direct link to your form, which you can then share easily with others. Tally and so also provides insights into your form's performance. To view these insights, head over to the settings where you'll find an Insights tab. This feature allows you to track submissions in real time, giving you a clear picture of how your form is performing. And there you have it. You're now equipped to create, customize, and manage forms on Tally. So, thanks for watching and happy form building.